Hello children, welcome back to your science class. So the building blocks of an anthill are small sand particles. Also, bricks are the building blocks of a building. Similarly, atoms are the building blocks of matter. Atoms are indivisible particles that cannot be created or destroyed by any chemical means. According to Dalton's atomic theory, all matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. This would mean that a rod of iron is made up of millions of atoms of ions. Size of atoms are very small in size. They are not visible even under a powerful optical microscope. The size of an atom is indicated by the radius of the atom called atomic radius. It is often expressed in nanometers. So here atoms cannot be seen with naked eyes. However, the usage of modern techniques has enabled us to see the surface of atoms. The magnified image of the surface of silicon atoms is shown in the following figure. The smallest particle of a substance is called an atom. An atom is a very small in size and it cannot be divided further. Although atoms are the smallest particles of substance, atoms of most elements are not stable and cannot exist independently. Therefore, two or more atoms of the same or different elements combine to form a stable entity called molecules. Hence, a molecule can be defined as the smallest entity of a substance capable of independent existence. The constituting atom of a molecule are held together by a strong attractive force. For example, H2 is a molecule in which two hydrogen atoms are chemically bonded. Similarly, hydrogen atoms can also combine with oxygen atom to form water molecules. A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or compound that can exist independently and possess all the properties of the substance to which it belongs.